Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and this today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram live from specific followers. Alright guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone, and then after that you can click on your profile menu right here, and then you are going to click on this button on the top right corner of your screen, and then there will be several options for you, and you have to select the settings and privacy, and then you have to scroll down until you find the hide story and live right here. Just tap on it and then click on this option. Then you can select the account that you want to hide your live from. And for example, I'm going to select this account and this account as well. And just remember guys, once you activate this feature, your Instagram story will be hidden from those people as well. And then after you're done, you just need to go back to the preview section. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can hide our Instagram live from specific followers. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.